Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So as you see, I did get an ear piercing. My nose, ain't she cute? Oh, hold on, I gotta sneeze. Achoo! But anyway, as I was saying, where'd it go? Just kidding, I didn't get my nose pierced. I actually bought a couple things off of Amazon that it's actually like fake, as you can see. I thought that would be funny. Maybe it's not, I don't know. But I didn't want to commit to like actually piercing my nose, plus my work won't let me. So I bought these like cute stuff online, where this one's like a magnetic like dot, you know, like the jewel that you can put on your nose. I just bought these off Amazon. And then I also got this pack, which has like different kinds of nose rings, or you can actually put them anywhere. This is actually an eye look for a future video. It may be up before this one. If it is, I'll link it down below. It was my April boxycharm, so definitely check that out if it is available to see while this video is up. But these were really cute, and I thought that it would be funny to start the video off with that. So I also thought it would be fun to have these to like spice up my videos in the future, like by having like random nose piercings or ear piercings or whatever the case may be, just to make my videos look a little more fun and for like Instagram selfies and things like that. So most of this is from Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale, whether it was one of the things that was 50% off or just on sale at the time of the actual 21 Days of Beauty sale. So I got the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, a full-size one, and this was half off. I also got something that I've been wanting to get that wasn't on sale, but this is just something that I've been wanting to purchase for a really long time, because I've actually bought some foundations that don't match me, like they're too dark, and this is actually supposed to help with it. This is the LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment in the shade Blue. So basically what this is supposed to do is you're supposed to either mix this with your foundation or put it under your foundation to make your foundation match you better, and I am cool toned, like that's my, like you can be neutral, cool toned, warm toned, golden, things like that, and I am cool toned, so I thought buying the blue pigment would help. I'm wanting to do a video in the future testing it out with one of my darker foundations and see if it helps. So I also got this Ulta Beauty matte bronzer in the shade Warm. I got this Ulta Beauty moisturizing shea butter treatment body bar, so this is like a soup. So some of it's like beauty, some of the stuff's like beauty or accessories, I guess shoes and makeup. I also got the Ulta Beauty Cool Clay Cleanser Body Cleanser. Next I got the Ulta Beauty Energizing Coffee Body Scrub. So obviously the cleansers and the body scrubs and the soaps and stuff I can't obviously use on camera, but I can talk about it maybe in possibly a favorites or fails video. So like when I do try them, I may talk about them in a vlog or something like that. So I may do like a little section of in my favorites video or something in the future if I like these or not. I'm not going to try all of them all at once, but when I do try them, I may try to feature them in favorites video or talk about them in random videos or in vlogs, so I'll keep you guys updated. Next I have the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. I'm actually really excited to try this because it says it's supposed to help like reduce redness, which I have. So before I put on my makeup, I think it's supposed to reduce your redness and help your makeup stay on for a really long time, so I'm excited to try that. Next I have the Ulta Beauty Energizing Wild Mint. The Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Everybody was raving about this. I wasn't sure if I was going to purchase it because Anastasia Beverly Hills is kind of an expensive brand. This packaging is everything. But since it did go on sale, I thought, why not? So this was from the 21 Days of Beauty sale. It's the IT Airbrush Perfecting Powder Illumination Sheer to Full Coverage Blurring Perfector Powder, like a powder foundation. So I'm really excited to try this out for you guys. Next I got this Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter palette. So I'm really excited because it has 3 of her collab highlighters in it. I love Ofra highlighters, and I have the Nikki Tutorials Everglow highlighter right behind me right there on display. She cute. MAC Pro Longwear paint pots. So I'm sure you've seen like every beauty guru use this, but this was one of the things that was on sale. So it was the Ofra palette that I got 50% off. So it was originally $22 and I got it for $11. I actually picked up 2 for the price of 1 basically. I got the shade Soft Ochre because I thought that would be the best for me because it would block out all the redness or all the darkness on my lids to apply eyeshadows. So I'm really excited to try this as an eyeshadow primer. And I've never tried Beauty Blender, so I thought it'd be a good chance to get some of these too. They're the original Beauty Blender Micro Mini makeup sponge. So I've never tried any Beauty Blenders before, but the original one's like $20. So I'm like, yikes, that's way too much. The Real Technique one that I really like is only like $5. So don't really want to spend $20 on something, but these were like 50% off. I think they were like $9 for both of these, so I'm going to try these out and see if I would actually consider purchasing a actual large beauty blender, but we'll see about that. This is this IT Bye Bye Pores Pressed Poreless IT Bye Bye Pores Pressed Poreless Finish Airbrush Pressed Powder. So basically what this is supposed to do is just be it's like almost a translucent powder that is supposed to like blur your pores and things like that. So I'm really excited to try this. Next I got this Urban Decay Space Powder Shimmer Powder for face and body. It's basically like a highlighter. This actually came free with my purchase that I made. I believe it was with the Sultry palette. It's the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara False Lash Look. So I'm excited to try this. It was like a free product that just came whenever you purchased the palette. Trying to up my brow game. So I got the Urban Decay Brow Endowed Brow Volumizer Primer in Color in Brunette Betty. This was actually a sample that I got from Sephora. And I also got this Royal Affair palette from BH Cosmetics. I got a bunch of foundation samples and a couple primer and lipstick samples in this bag. I've actually separated a bunch of my samples, which I only wanted to show one bag because I got like 5 bags over there of like basically me wanting to do like a full face of samples, whether it be high-end or drugstore or just a full face of samples. Definitely let me know if you want to see that, but these were the extras. I ran out of samples basically that I put in those bags, so these were the extra stuff. It's just like a bunch of foundations that I want to try, so I'll be reviewing these foundations for you and let you know if I maybe buy the full bottle, but it's cool to try the sample first just to see if I like it in the first place. And whenever you order stuff on Sephora, you do normally get a couple samples, so that's where I've gotten these from, so I'm really excited to try these out. I also wanted to do like full face minis where I use like mini stuff. So like this is like a mini mascara, so this would definitely be going in my full face of minis also. So definitely let me know if you want to see those videos or if you want me to start out high-end or drugstore minis or samples or what kind of foundation you want me to try. I know there's a lot in here, but I got like Marc Jacobs, NARS, Urban Decay, Natasha Denona, things like that. So definitely let me know what you want to see. And I've been wanting to make slime on my channel, so I got these slime balls. They're basically just like foam slime balls. So basically you're supposed to put these to like add texture to your slime. So I wanted to do a video making homemade slime, and I thought that'd be fun. And to make it a little more fun, I figured I'd add these in there just to make it a little more interesting. So yeah. So if anything caught your eye, definitely let me know and I can use it first. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at GlamGirl Gray. See you next time.